would just like to tell everyone that we appreciate the Board of Trustees of PCQ ACL, appreciate your presence here, we appreciate your support, and I hope we enjoy this day. I hope this pre-con and the upcoming convention.
Happy 20th anniversary, PCQ ACL.
Happy 20th anniversary PCQ ACL.
So as the president of the 2023 PCQ ACL Board of Trustees and in behalf of the 2023 PCQ ACL Board of Trustees, I now declare the 20th Annual Convention open.
Happy 20th anniversary, PCQ ACL.
Happy 20th anniversary PCQ ACL.
We prepared a lot for this week's festivities. It is truly remarkable for us because PCQ ACL is quote-unquote 20 years old already. As we end this year's annual convention, the year is still not over for PCQ ACL. We are preparing a lot of things to complete the year and for next year. We will have a lot of things in store for you for the 21st annual PCQ ACL conventions, so see you there.